Hello, I'm Diederik, and in this video I will guide you through the initial steps before entering your first booking into Stagent. To start, there are 3 essential steps we need to take, which are updating your logo, adding company details, and adding your first artist. Navigate to your team settings on the left bottom and continue by pressing your team details. Here, fill in all of your company information. For this instructional video, I've already filled in everything for you. Conclude by uploading your logo and clicking Save. Now, let's add an artist. You can do this by choosing your roster underneath Team. Select New Artist and enter the artist's name. This is where it gets exciting, because from here you can invite your artist onto Stagent for a free view-only account. Next, let's upload a rider into Documents. While the Documents area can be used for riders, you can also upload passports or any other artist documents of your choosing. Now, choose Press Kit. Here you can customize the press kit for each of your artists. Again, for this instructional video, I've already filled in everything for you. Click Save on the bottom and Stagent will host your press kit online. Last but not least, we can select artist details to further manage any significant artist details. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to start creating a booking. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you exactly how to do that.